The Samsung GalaxyBook 4 Pro and the Apple MacBook Air M2 have captured the imagination of the tech community with their sleek designs, impressive performance, and cutting-edge features. But if you had to choose, which one would be the better choice for you? Let's find out, shall we? Both the GalaxyBook 4 Pro and the MacBook Air M2 exude elegance and portability in their ultra-thin aluminum frames. However, it's worth noting that the GalaxyBook 4 Pro is slightly larger and heavier, likely due to its bigger display options. With dimensions under half an inch thick and weights under 3.5 pounds for the larger models, these laptops are designed for seamless mobility, making them ideal companions for professionals on the go. One area where the GalaxyBook 4 Pro shines is its comprehensive port selection. Boasting 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI 2.1 connection, a microSD card reader, and an additional USB-A port, it offers unparalleled connectivity and supports up to 3 external displays. In contrast, the MacBook Air M2 falls short with only 2 Thunderbolt connections, limiting its external display capabilities to a single monitor.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
When it comes to visual clarity, both laptops deliver exceptional experiences. The GalaxyBook 4 Pro's 2800 by 1800 AMOLED display with a 120Hz variable refresh rate is a sight to behold, offering vivid colors and smooth motion. On the other hand, the MacBook Air M2's Liquid Retina IPS screen, while fixed at 60 Hz, boasts a peak brightness of 500 nits, ensuring a vibrant viewing experience. However, the GalaxyBook 4 Pro gains a significant advantage by incorporating a touchscreen display across all configurations. This feature caters to creatives and professionals who prefer a more hands-on approach to their work, allowing them to interact directly with their projects. The MacBook Air M2, like other MacBooks, lacks this touch capability, which may be a deal breaker for some users. Under the hood, both laptops pack a punch, but with distinct architectural approaches. The GalaxyBook 4 Pro is powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra processors, marking a significant upgrade over previous generations. These CPUs feature a new tile architecture, a neural processing unit optimized for generative AI, and an improved low-power E-core for enhanced battery life. In contrast, the MacBook Air M2 relies on Apple's second-generation M2 silicon chips, boasting 8 CPU cores and either 8 or 10 GPU cores, depending on the configuration. While the M2 chipset delivers impressive performance, it can run hot under heavy workloads due to the MacBook Air's passive cooling, potentially leading to throttling. Where the GalaxyBook 4 Pro truly shines is in its memory department. It comes standard with a generous 16 GB of 7467 MHz LDDR5X RAM, upgradable to an impressive 32 GB. The MacBook Air M2, on the other hand, starts with a modest 8 GB of 3200 MHz LPDDR5 RAM in its base configuration, with upgrade options up to 24 GB. Battery life is a crucial consideration for any laptop, and both the GalaxyBook 4 Pro and the MacBook Air M2 deliver respectable performance in this area. The GalaxyBook 4 Pro boasts larger internal batteries, with 63 watt-hours for the 14-inch model and 76 watt-hours for the 16-inch variant. In comparison, the 13-inch MacBook Air M2 has a 52.6 watt-hour battery, while the 15-inch model packs a 66.5 watt-hour battery. However, battery capacity is only part of the equation. The efficient hardware powering these laptops plays a crucial role in determining their real-world battery life. In our tests, the 15-inch MacBook Air M2 delivered up to 10 hours of battery life, depending on usage and settings like screen brightness. While we have yet to thoroughly test the new GalaxyBook lineup, the energy-efficient Core Ultra chips and Samsung's nicely sized batteries hold promise for impressive battery performance. When it comes to pricing and availability, the MacBook Air M2 currently holds an advantage. The 13-inch model starts at $1,099, while the 15-inch variant is priced at $1,299. In contrast, the GalaxyBook 4 Pro carries a higher starting MSRP of $1,449 for the 14-inch model in its base configuration. The MacBook Air M2 is widely available online directly from Apple and other major retailers like Best Buy and Amazon. On the other hand, the GalaxyBook 4 Pro has only recently hit the market and is currently available exclusively from Samsung. However, we expect it to become more widely available at other retailers in the coming months. Ultimately, the decision between these two exceptional laptops will depend on your specific needs, preferences, and budget. Whether you opt for the Samsung GalaxyBook 4 Pro or the Apple MacBook Air M2, you can rest assured that you're investing in a premium device that will elevate your productivity and creativity to new heights. But enough about that. Which one of these laptops would you prefer and why? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. And, as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.